Sam, I've been wondering, how does a company like MicroStrategy make money with Bitcoin? It's not like they're mining it.
Great question, Alex. It's not as straightforward as you might think. Let me break it down for you. MicroStrategy doesn't just buy Bitcoin for fun, they treat it like a treasury asset. Instead of holding cash, they invest in Bitcoin as a hedge against inflation.
So, they're betting on Bitcoin's value going up over time?
Exactly. And when the price rises, their balance sheet grows. It's like a long-term investment strategy on steroids. But here's where it gets interesting. MicroStrategy also uses debt to buy more Bitcoin. They issue corporate bonds or take loans, then use that money to stack more coins.
Isn't that risky?
It can be, but when Bitcoin's price goes up, their gains are amplified. It's like using a financial lever to supercharge their returns.
But what if Bitcoin's price crashes? Doesn't that hurt their business?
It's a risk, but MicroStrategy's confidence in Bitcoin actually boosts their stock price. Investors see them as a pioneer in the crypto space, which drives demand for their shares.
So, it's not just about Bitcoin, it's about market perception too.
Bingo! It's a double win. Bitcoin's growth and investor confidence.
So, MicroStrategy's strategy is all about believing in Bitcoin's future?
Exactly. They're not just holding Bitcoin, they're building a financial fortress around it. It's a bold move, but one that could pay off massively in the long run.
I guess sometimes you've got to think outside the box to win big.
Want to learn more about Bitcoin, AI, and how you can retire early?
Sign up now for more insights and join the future of finance.
See you there.